Good morning to one and all. This is D. Shirisha Reddy of Final Year CSE of Wisdom Engineering College. I am here to explain my final year project. Well, my team guide is KV Kiran sir, my team K. Rohini, G. Devi and Anand Jairaj. Our project title Text Formatting based on Keyword Detection. Abstract. Our project is mainly designed for doctors, patients and pharmacists. On an average, doctors take 17 to 24 minutes to examine a patient. To increase the time efficiency of the doctor, we come up with this project. Due to handwriting prescription errors, more than 7,000 patients die per annum and 1.5 million patients get affected. By adopting voice-based prescription project, we could eliminate many medication errors. Our project will generate electronic prescription using speech-to-text converter and capture the data from the keywords spoken by the doctor. Existing system. For many years, handwriting prescription has been preferred communication method for physician. Among different types of errors associated with medication process, prescription errors are the most preventable cause of medication errors. Paper-based prescription process is too slow, inefficient, and it has high rate of human errors in manipulating data. Proposal system. The actual agenda of our proposal system is using Google Cloud speech to text API. It creates automatic prescription so that he can consult more patients. Now, first doctor should log in, then emergency alerts and view appointments. Online notification of appointments are provided to the doctor for their convenience. Next, speech to text. Doctor dictates prescription by using Google Cloud speech to text API. The prescription is digitally signed. Next, patient details. The doctor can preview the patient's records digitally. Doctor can browse the patient's details by using filters like symptoms, diagnosis, time, name, etc. Next, sending prescription. Prescription is shared to the patient as per PDF document directly or as a link in SMS or WhatsApp. PLP algorithm. Perceptual Linear Prediction Algorithm. PLP algorithm is a feature extraction algorithm. It takes acoustic signals as input like human or animal voice notes. Based on the sound levels, it distinguishes as human voice or noise or animal voices. Finally, fine voice data is forwarded as output. This is a graphical representation of PLP algorithm. This graph shows the frequency of sounds spoken by the doctor and the noise or the disturbance near the doctor. Actually, the PLP algorithm takes everything, the keyword spoken by the doctor and the disturbance near him. But finally, fine voice data is forwarded as output. SHA 512 algorithm. SHA 512 algorithm is an encryption algorithm. The input message, which means the keywords spoken by the doctor, is breaks into 1024 bits. Those bits encrypted using hashing into 64 bytes. As patients' health details need to be stored securely, we use SHA 512 algorithm. This figure shows how the message is taken or the keywords are taken and breaks into 1024 bits. Here the data is encrypted using hashing into bytes. This table shows how the data is encrypted and hashing into 64 bytes. Viterbi algorithm. Viterbi algorithm is mainly a search algorithm. Means the Viterbi algorithm matches the keywords and it takes the fine voice data as input. This search algorithm matches the words unturned and the keyword as shown in the graph. as the keywords is detected and the action is performed as mentioned. Architecture. After doctor login with username and password, the doctor will view the electronic health records of the patients which were already collected. They can view the patient's records by using filters like date, time, symptoms, diagnosis, etc. Doctor can create electronic health records by dictating patient's records using Google Cloud Speech to Text API. To enable this feature in our project, we capture the keywords spoken by the doctor. Emergency alerts, view appointments, online notification of appointments are provided to the doctor for their convenience. And the prescription is digitally signed and sent to the person through PDF format in WhatsApp, email, or SMS. And the doctor can view the patient's records digitally, and our live chat features allows us to chat with our qualified doctors, pharmacists, and neurologists, etc. And the doctor to view the online notification about appointments, rescheduling appointments, and the patients get notification of nearby medical camps. The doctor can also modify or edit the patient's personal records. And here we use SHA-512 algorithm to encrypt and store the data. And PLP algorithm is a feature extraction algorithm. We use the last algorithm. VertiB algorithm is mainly a search algorithm. We use these three algorithms in our project. Use case. In our project, we have three modules: doctor, patients, and medical shop. Doctor will receive, view appointments and receives live charts, generate prescription, view patient records. Patient side will have he receives generated prescription, manage appointments, and view doctor. He can view the availability of the doctor, and the medical shop will receive the prescriptions. Next is the flowchart. Start, user can log in. If a doctor login, or no, a patient login. You can view appointments, generate prescriptions, same as I have already told you. Patients, view appointments, upload reports. He can also change his profile, book. He can book or cancel the appointments. And the medical shop, he can deliver the medicines, and he receives prescriptions, receives bills, send automatic bills. And next, the software requirements. Here we need Google Cloud Platform, Android Studios, XAMPP servers. Dependencies is Wally library, AP Android chart libraries, Google Cloud Map API, Google Speech to Text APIs. And the hardware requirements are nothing but Windows 10 OS, 4 GB RAM, and 2 GB hard disk. Nothing much hardware. Conclusion. So here I conclude that to avoid medication errors, this is the best app for doctors, patients, and pharmacists in present days. This is the way our app look like. Qualification, you can select the particular doctor. Doctor can draw the sign, and he can also save the sign, and sign in, username and password, profile of the doctor, can generate prescription, book appointments in the doctor's profile, and the patient's list, patient's records, feedback, and the patient and the doctor can chat each other. These are the total patients records list and particular patient record list. Analysis of the total bookings, and if doctor want to generate prescription, here this like the doctor will dictate the prescription of the particular patient, like diagnosis, symptoms. He will dictate the keywords, and this like the prescription will be generated, and then the sign also will be generated digitally, and he can save the prescription, and the prescription is sent to the particular patient in like images or like in PDF format. Even the prescription is sent through email.